Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we're just going to be opening up a quick blaster of Optic. Looking to get some more Herbert in there, Tua. Don't have any Tua yet. Like I said previously, this is kind of my first year collecting football, so I'm playing catch up on some of the good rookies from last year's class. So hopefully we get some luck today. And then we've got double the Herbert for luck. So hopefully that'll increase our odds of more Herbert, or maybe some Tua, maybe some Love, Burrow, who knows. But yeah, never opened Optic before, so this is my first time. Hopefully, first time magic will happen. I know a lot of you are probably familiar with the product, so we'll just get to ripping. First pack. What do we get? These gonna be all upside down like the select were, probably. Chris Goodwin. Josh Jacobs. Nice. Okay, right off the back, a Tua rated rookie. I will take it. My first Tua. Very cool. And then we get a Patrick Queen rookie. All right. The card gods were good to me. We can go home now. Video over. Just kidding. Nice, nice. Look at that. I love the colors. Dolphins colors are nice on that. Very cool. I didn't really get to look at the backs of these two bunch. Just curious. And it's a Prism rookie, so we hit the jackpot. Let's try it this way, since everything football seems to be upside down. Come on. That wasn't good. I made those backwards. Those weren't already backwards. All right. Sam Darnold. Von Miller. Ooh. Terrell Lewis. That is a nice looking card. I like that. Is it numbered? Not numbered. Was that a blue? Guess I should have done the research before I open these. I don't know what parallel that is, but I'll take it. It's not numbered, but still nonetheless looks really cool. I really like Optic a lot. It's a really cool product. McCaff. We've got something shiny for the Panthers. Derek Brown. Prism. And a Tyrell Taylor in a Texas uniform. All right, we'll put the Jalen in his sleeve as well, and of course, put the Derek Brown silver Very nice. I never know where to look when I'm filming. Do I look at the screen? Do I look over the phone? It's kind of hard, and then I feel like the cards are moving a little bit. So I'm just going to try to concentrate on looking at the phone, because I think that'll be better. Larry Fitzgerald. Dalvin Cook. What do we got here? We got another blue. Antonio Gibson. I will take it. Very nice. Very nice. Negros Matos. Very cool. I like it. We will take that. And I'm running out of penny sleeves right now. How many do I have left in this pack? What do we got? 2 in this pack, but I have another pack on the shelf, so we can get that. But maybe I'll only need 2 since there's only 2 packs left. Flip it. David Montgomery. Oh, we got something here. Carson Wentz. What do we got here? T-. Bills. Josh Allen, T-. Nice. That is a cool card. Then we got a Colin Johnson, rated rookie. That is cool. I like that. That is a cool insert. And I am a huge Josh Allen fan. Sleeve up the Colin Johnson. All right, last pack. I'm gonna need to buy more Optic because this is just too good of a product. All right, we get another parallel, another blue. I don't know if it's blue. I think it's purple, actually. I don't think they're blue. Gronk. And it's a Patrick Queen. Very nice. And what do we get here? Cesar Ruiz. Another college uni. Is that Michigan? I think it's Michigan. But, yeah. Had just enough sleeves, too. Alright, let's see. In here. Kind of go over it. The Tua. The one I wanted the most. Make this all worthwhile. But yeah, for our... I think these are purple parallels. Patrick Queen. Antonio Gibson, rated rookie. We had the silver, Derek Brown, rated rookie, Jalen Reagor, and a Terrell Lewis, purple. So a few parallels in that. The Tua made it all worth it. I love those colors. Those colors and this silver. Oof. It's nice. The Dolphins colors are perfect for these cards for some reason. Just looks really cool, really pops. That nice light blue and the orange. Love it. But yeah, that's the video. Short but sweet. First time opening Optic ever. Very happy with it. Probably gonna pick up some more. Do another video before the new season starts. The new NFL season. But yeah, that's the video. Please subscribe, like the video, comment anything you'd like, suggestions on what I can do to make the content better, what you want to see opened. But yeah, please like, subscribe. It means a lot because I love ripping cards. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Peace.